Hello children, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn symbols of national identity. Children, there are so many countries in the world. Every country has its own national symbols. Children, do you know the national symbols of a country shows the country's identity in the world? Children, India is a vast country. The national symbols of India represents the various culture of the country. Children, remember, when we use these symbols, we represent our country. Okay? Children, let's see the national symbols of India. National flag. The national flag of India is tricolor. It is popularly known as the Tiranga. We feel proud to see our national flag being hoisted on special days like Independence Day and Republic Day. Children, look at the flag. There are three horizontal bands of equal size. The first band from the top is saffron. It stands for courage and sacrifice. The second band is white. It stands for truth and peace. At the center of the white band, there is a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes. It is called the Ashoka Chakra. It stands for righteousness. The third band is green. It stands for growth and prosperity of the land. National emblem. The national emblem can be commonly seen on the coins and rupee notes. Children, in the emblem we can see three lions facing different directions, right? There is a fourth lion which is hidden from the view. All the lions mounted on an abacus. At the center of the abacus, there is a same Ashoka Chakra that is there on the Indian flag. On other side of the wheel, there is a bull and a horse. Children, the word Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone wins, is written below. National Anthem. Children, the national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. It was composed by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. It was first sung on 27th December 1911. It is sung or played on instruments on Independence Day, Republic Day and other special occasions. Children, remember, when we listen or sing national anthem, we should stand in attention position to show our respect. Okay? Let's see other national symbols of India. National song. Children, our national song is Vande Mataram. It was written by Sri Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. National animal. Children, the national animal of India is the tiger. It is a majestic animal and shows courage. But children, tigers are endangered animals. Their homes are getting destroyed by the human population. They are also hunted and killed. So, the government of India has started Project Tiger to save the national animal. National bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. It shows beauty and joy. It is very colorful bird. Children, it is highly valued in India. Children, do you know, when it rains, peacock dances beautifully. National tree. The banyan tree is the national tree of India. It is also called the Indian fig tree. Children, it grows over a large area. The roots gives us to more trunks and branches. It has a long life. Children, do you know, it is considered very sacred. Almost every village in India has a banyan tree. National flower. Children, the lotus is the national flower of India. It grows in water. It is a beautiful flower with many petals and a long stem. It is regarded very pure and sacred. National fruit. Children, the mango is the national fruit of India. It is a juicy and delicious fruit. It is a rich source of vitamins A, C and D. There are many varieties of mangoes in different sizes, shapes and colors. Children, remember, every country has its own national symbols. When we use these symbols, we represent our country. The main national symbols of India are the national flag, national emblem and national anthem. The national flag of India is popularly known as Tiranga.